All right, we have big news coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. Amid heated battle for Jammu and Kashmir, NC chief Omar Abdullah, Farooq Abdullah, batting for talks with Pakistan. In fact, Farooq Abdullah has said this statement, and I quote, "If talks with China, why not Pakistan?" That's what he says. If we can talk to China, what's wrong in talking to Pakistan? Farooq Abdullah sparking a row after Home Minister Amit Shah's big statement. Amit Shah had said no talks with Pakistan at any cost, to which Farooq Abdullah has responded, why not? Listen in.
देखिए पाकिस्तान क्या करता है, ये क्या करते हैं। चीन से ये बात कर सकते हैं जो हमारे 2000 किलोमीटर जमीन पे काबिज है और आगे चल रहा है। उनसे बात कर सकते हैं 20 दफा। यहाँ क्यों नहीं बात कर सकते? क्या वजह? इसी तरीके से तो इसका हल निकालना है। कब तक हम आतंकवाद में रहेंगे? कब तक हमारे लोग मरते जाएंगे?
ये कहते हैं पाकिस्तान के साथ वार्ता करो। फारूक साहब, राहुल बाबा, हम पाकिस्तान से वार्ता नहीं करेंगे। हम जब तक आतंकवाद समाप्त नहीं होता है, पाकिस्तान से वार्ता करने के पक्ष में नहीं है। अगर बात करनी है तो मेरे नौसेरा के शेरों के साथ बात करेंगे, पाकिस्तान के साथ क्यों करेंगे?
Let me cut across to India Today's Mir Farid, our correspondent right on the ground. Mir Farid, we're looking at Omar Abdullah, Farooq Abdullah, beg your pardon, who said, if we can talk to China, why can't we talk to Pakistan? And this is him sticking with the NC's ideology right from the start. They've been batting for talks with Pakistan to end terror. Home Minister Amit Shah refuses, saying this will never happen.
Yes, Nabila, you're absolutely right. This has been the core demand of National Conference. And since you have to see it in the backdrop of the elections that are happening, and Farooq Abdullah also is in campaign mode. So this, he knows, sells with the people, at least in the Kashmir Valley, where a soft stand vis-a-vis Pakistan is seen as something that will prove politically and electorally beneficial for the regional parties, and it seems that he's pandering to that particular constituency and talking of basically opening dialogue channels with Pakistan the way India talks with China. So that's something that both the PDP and National Conference have even mentioned in their manifestos. But as you rightly said, the Home Minister has categorically said that, in fact, he's in Jammu again campaigning for the BJP candidates, and said that dialogue with Pakistan is not going to happen. LOC trade, LOC connection is not going to open. So all these things is made clear that till the BJP government is in power, they will not allow this. And also no stone pelter, no person who has indulged in that kind of anti-national activity will be released. So this is clearly a campaign mode strategy where the BJP is saying what is there in their manifesto. They are basically taking this issue to the Jammu constituency, and while Farooq Abdullah is basically reaching out to the people in Kashmir. So you have to see it in the backdrop of the elections. But again, Farooq Abdullah says this, but you're not sure what will he say in the next rally. That's his politics. He has always been a maverick as far as politics is concerned.
Well, and it's right ahead the second phase of polling as well.
He's batting for talks with Pakistan.
Yeah, and he's done so right from the start, and this all the more heats up and is significant considering it's right ahead of the second phase of polling in Jammu and Kashmir. Thanks very much, Mir Farid, for joining us.